This video is going to be about CAT exam. मेरा नाम है कौशल and I'm an IT Delhi graduate and I did my MBA from IIM Calcutta. I'm also a CAT 99.97 percentiler. मैंने CAT 3 बार दिया था and like they say, third time is the charm. Where I could finally get into JOCA. मैं जब प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था अपने कॉलेज डेज में और मेरे बाकी दोस्त भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, they were not very sure on कि MBA करना भी चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, करना है तो कहाँ से करना है, what kind of exams should they appear for, because CAT is not the only exam for MBA. There are other exams like NMAT for Narsi Munji, ZAT for XLRI and SNAP for SIBM Pune and for other top MBA schools as well. But India के 3 लाख plus लोग CAT क्यों दे रहे हैं? Because CAT is an entrance test to these colleges. It's not just including IIMs, but FMS, MDI, SPJAN and IIFT as well. और इनके packages, of course, बाकी colleges से on an average ज़्यादा रहते हैं. But is package the only reason why you should do an MBA? Of course not. MBA also offers you not just high packages, but a networking opportunity, industry knowledge, personality development, as well as if you score well, there is a lifelong resume point that you can have. So now let's come down to the basic details of the CAT exam. CAT exam का starting में pattern की बात करें तो 2 hours का paper होता है total, 40 minutes for each section. There are 3 sections, VARC, LRDI and Quant. इसमें 2 टाइप के क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, MCQ एंड TITA. TITA बेसिकली स्टैंड्स फॉर टाइप इन द आंसर, व्हाइल MCQ में आपको 4 ऑप्शन मिलेंगे एंड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द वन व्हिच इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. आप गलत ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं तो आपको -1 नेगेटिव मार्किंग मिलती है. सही आंसर पे +3 मार्क्स मिलते हैं. देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन द टीटा टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आल्सो देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन दैट इज अनआंसर्ड. टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कितने रहेंगे? 66 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, where VARC has 24 questions including both verbal ability as well as reading comprehensions. LRDI में 20 questions रहेंगे which is basically 4 sets into 5 questions each set and 22 questions in quantitative aptitude रहेगा. इसमें क्या आता है exactly? That is basically under sections. VARC which stands for verbal ability and reading comprehension, which will test your grammatical skills, your English skills as well as your how do you comprehend a particular paragraph that you have been given. इसमें और भी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं जैसे पैरा जंबल हो गया, पैरा समरी हो गया, पैरा कंप्लीशन हो गया या फिर ऑड वन आउट इन अ सेट ऑफ लेट्स से 4 to 5 सेंटेंसेस. सेकंड सेक्शन जो होता है वो होता है LRDI का. अभी LRDI का सिलेबस तो एज सच डिफाइंड नहीं है, बट व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन द पास्ट फ्यू कैट पेपर्स, क्वेश्चंस आर यूजुअली अराउंड पजल्स और अ क्वांट बेस्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन और अरेंजमेंट्स और वेन डायग्राम्स और गेम्स एंड टूर्नामेंट्स वाले क्वेश्चन भी हो सकते हैं. डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन डायरेक्टली तो कैट कुछ कम साल से ही पूछ रहा है, बट इट्स गुड टू नो बिकॉज सर्टेन पाई चार्ट्स और देयर सर्टेन एनालिटिकल कैपेबिलिटीज दैट कैन बी टेस्टेड इन दिस सेक्शन बाय कैट एज वेल. थर्ड सेक्शन जो होता है वो क्वांट का होता है. क्वांट में देयर आर 5 मेजर buckets: arithmetic, algebra, geometry, numbers and modern math. Arithmetic and algebra is something that CAT usually prioritizes, but you can expect questions from geometry and number system as well because just this year's CAT had at least like 3 to 4 questions on number systems. And modern math से भी कभी-कभी questions ज़्यादा आ सकते हैं. Now that we are done with the basic prerequisites, which are CAT exam pattern कैसा था और CAT में क्या-क्या syllabus और क्या topics हम लोग expect कर सकते हैं, let's try to move on to how exactly to prepare and where to prepare from. देखो यार, CAT exam prepare करने के लिए आप 70 मिनट से तो ज़्यादा ही लगेंगे. If you are a serious aspirant, 500 hours is something that you should be ideally looking at. This can be further divided into 3 sections. Conceptual learning, जहाँ पे you can get a basic deeper understanding of the concepts that CAT asks. मेनली क्वांट और LRDI में ये बहुत ही एसेंशियल होता है, while you can continuously practice that for VARC. सेकेंड पार्ट आ जाता है रिगरस प्रैक्टिस. Once you are done and once you have understood the concepts that are involved in a particular section or a topic, you are supposed to, both in self-paced scenario as well as mentor-driven scenario, do a lot of practice. What that does is, it does not just, ensures that you have learned the concepts well, but it also ensures that you are doing it in a very speedily manner, which is what CAT usually asks for. तो एटलीस्ट किसी भी टॉपिक से मूव ऑन करने से पहले आपको 50 क्वेश्चंस उस टॉपिक पे लगा लेने चाहिए बिफोर यू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक और द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. और थर्ड एंड फाइनल स्टेजेस में यू शुड बी डूइंग रिवीजन एंड मॉक्स. रिवीजन बिकॉज कंसेप्चुअल लर्निंग जितना भी आपने किया होगा, यू माइट बी फॉरगेटिंग समथिंग, यू माइट नॉट बी ब्रशिंग अप विद देम वेल, बट द मॉक्स विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड देयर एनालिसिस is primarily because so that you can get a feel of how exactly CAT exam looks like, how to sit down for 2 hours, do 3 different kinds of sections, different kinds of topics, and to cover all of your bases before the D-Day. If you want to deep dive into अभी का time कैसा लगना चाहिए आपका, because mocks and all will come in later on, you should primarily prioritize rigorous practice. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट डेली प्रैक्टिस आप कैसे कर सकते हो, तो लेट्स से डेली के लिए आपको एक टारगेट रखना चाहिए 30 क्वेश्चंस मिनिमम ऑन क्वांट, 2 to 3 LRDI सेट्स एवरी डे, 2 to 3 RCs फॉर योर रीडिंग प्रिपरेशन एज वेल एज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल्स, एज वेल एज आपको एक रीडिंग हैबिट डेवलप करने के लिए या तो यू कैन चूज सम आर्टिकल्स और यू कैन पिक अप सम नॉवेल्स और स्टार्ट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज अगर आपकी रीडिंग स्पीड अच्छी नहीं है तो डिस्पाइट योर ग्रामर एंड एवरीथिंग बीइंग वेरी गुड, you might miss out on the questions you could have attempted in the final exam. Now that we have covered the basic nitty-gritties of how exactly your preparation roadmap can look like, let's dive deeper into कि आप sectional strategies कैसे रख सकते हैं. Let's start with VARC. VARC में iQuanta की website पे you will get around 250 articles on different genres. These will not just help you in improving your reading speed, but also will give you an idea on कि किस तरह के comprehensions you can expect in the final exam as well. Apart from that, you can obviously try previous papers to get a feel of कैट एग्जाम किस तरह के आरसीज पूछता है, किस तरह की वर्बल एबिलिटी पूछता है, पैरा जंबल्स या फिर ऑड वन आउट कितना डिस्टिंक्शन और कितना डिवीजन रहता है. फॉर दैट ऑल्सो iQuanta वेबसाइट प्रोवाइड्स यू विद ऑल प्रीवियस कैट पेपर्स सिंस 2000, so that you can have a good practice and a good feel of how exactly CAT VARC is going to look like. Now let's move on to LRDI में आपकी strategy क्या होनी चाहिए. LRDI में देखो यार, if you want to cover the basics, you can try the previous CAT papers from 2000 to 2014, which you will find on our website. iQuanta website पे आप जाओगे तो आपको previous year paper मिल जाएंगे. Because LRDI में इतना कोई conceptual learning नहीं होता है. It's basically about how you solve different kinds of problem. उनके तरीके आने चाहिए and you'll be good to go. If you're done with that and if you're enrolled in our CAT 24 iQuanta course, you can obviously practice more sets from live classes as well as application classes that we have on offer. Now let's move on to the final section, which is the quant section. Quant section में you need to start with number systems because that basically covers your all bases for the upcoming topics. And then you can move on to arithmetic, algebra, geometry, PNC even. And if you're enrolled in our CAT 24 iQuanta course, you will also find 100 conceptual videos on your dashboard, which you can have a look at to prepare yourself well with the concepts that are in quantitative aptitude. Once you're done with that, and if you feel that you are weak because there are certain non-engineering students जिनको quant में उतना confidence नहीं रहता है, या फिर there are certain engineering students as well जिनको लगता है कि हम लोगों को maths concepts याद नहीं रहेंगे, जो पहले हुआ था अभी वापस से revision types चाहिए, उसके लिए we are launching a non-engineering basic module so that it covers all of your bases from class 6 to 10th, entirely basic concepts, so that you are confident enough when you are appearing for mocks or when you are taking the sectionals. आपकी CAT preparation journey में एक और बहुत important aspect होता है आपका mindset. How exactly do you feel right before your preparation journey starts as well as and when it progresses. तो उसमें देखो सबसे crucial और पहला point होता है कि never lose self confidence. If you are confident in yourself, I think you will be able to achieve anything and everything that you want. आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है तो किसी से भी नहीं हो पाएगा. ऐसा attitude, ऐसा mindset लेके हम लोग आगे proceed करेंगे. Second point होता है यार कि even if your profile, there are certain students जो यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं पर दे आर ऑलवेज वेरी कंसर्न अबाउट देयर प्रोफाइल की मैं जेम नहीं हूँ, मैं अच्छे कॉलेज में नहीं पढ़ा हूँ, मेरी CGPA अच्छी नहीं थी, मेरे 10th 12th में थोड़े कम रह गए थे एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. बट व्हाट योर टारगेट शुड राइट नाउ शुड बी, योर टारगेट शुड ओनली बी 99+ percentile because that definitely ensures that you get to top B school. Your salary range might be from 20 lakhs to 36 lakhs. But having said that, once you're out of the MBA, your entire life journey and your entire package and everything is decided upon कि आप उस कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में कैसे सर्वाइव कर रहे हो, थ्राइव कर रहे हो एंड व्हाट योर वर्क एथिक लुक्स लाइक. तो यू नीड नॉट वरी राइट नाउ दैट आपकी प्रोफाइल कैसी भी हो, यू जस्ट नीड टू एंश्योर दैट यू गेट अ 99+ percentile. एंड देयर आर टॉप कॉलेजेस लाइक FMS who do not give much weightage to how your academics were but are primarily targeting कि आपका CAT percentile कितना आया था. So don't lose hope there even if you do not have a good profile as per you. You should basically be targeting a 99+ percentile. Because iQuanta में भी ऐसे बहुत स्टूडेंट्स रहे हैं जिनका प्रोफाइल दे कंसिडर्ड टू बी एवरेज बट दे मेड इट टू टॉप IIMs एंड टॉप B schools as well. So never lose hope on that. Your profile becomes more or less irrelevant if you are scoring a very good percentile in CAT. Third point जो बात आती है यार कि I am pretty sure many of you might have already taken CAT and you might not have scored that well as per your expectations. तो never let yourself be demotivated by it कि हमसे पहले नहीं हुआ तो अभी कैसे हो जाएगा. एक तो CAT is a very different exam in every different year. The syllabus is not changing much, so there is always a chance that you can improve upon your score. Plus, iQuanta also has had a lot of students जिनकी 40-50 percentile थी और वहाँ से वो लोग 95+ percentile की जर्नी भी देख चुके हैं. So you do not need to let yourself be demotivated by कि आपका पिछला percentile कितना था, but rather focus on your CAT 24 और CAT 25 preparation strategies. चौथा point ये आता है यार कि despite ensuring everything else, we might get demotivated somewhere down the line or right from the start itself. For that, what you can do is you can watch previous toppers videos. There are a lot of videos available on YouTube as well as our iQuanta website which can give you a clarity on ki how did they go about their preparation journey, and it can also motivate you in ki agar ye kar sakte hain to main bhi kar hi sakta hu. Fifth and last point is you should stop thinking about ki where you should be taking coaching from, or if you should be opting for coaching at all, or you should be going for self study, because कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक कैट आर नॉट लाइक बोर्ड एग्जाम्स जहां पे आपने कंसेप्चुअल वीडियोस देख ली, आपने कंसेप्ट पढ़ लिए और आपका हो गया. That's just 20% part of the job. 50% part will still be your practice, how you go about that practice sessions, as well as 30% on how do you attempt your final mocks and how exactly do you analyze them. So on that note, you should be prioritizing a coaching which not only ensures your regular practice, but also caters to your doubt solving. Like in iQuanta, we have a free 24/7 doubt solving community on Facebook, which comprises of both the current aspirants as well as students who were earlier our students but are now in top B schools, as well as people who have already graduated from those B schools, so that you can have a clear picture on how the life after MBA looks like, how the life during MBA looks like, and if you have any questions, all your doubts get solved within 30 minutes. Apart from the Facebook community that we have for your doubt resolution, as well as koi bhi miscellaneous question, career related ya otherwise that you might have, if you enroll for CAT 24 course from iQuanta, you will not just get live classes. With every live class topic, you will also get application classes within that day, a self-learning assignment, which will comprise of 50 questions on each topic, in total making it a 4,000 plus question bank. Iske alawa, if you enroll for IIM ABC course as well, you get an additional 7,500 question bank, which will comprise of 500 RCs, 500 DILR sets, and 2,500 questions on quant. Now that we have talked about the entire content quantity, let's talk about the quality. कैसा है iQuanta का material? Well, there have been plenty of CAT past papers जहाँ पे questions directly उठ के iQuanta study material से भी आए हुए हैं. इसका proof हम एक blog post में आपके लिए description में डाल देंगे. Second, iQuanta का doubt solving, which I had previously mentioned is how important for your CAT preparation journey, is hands down the best in market. Why do I say so? क्योंकि even if you join the group and you do not enroll for our course, it's not just iQuanta's material का doubt solving that we do. Any and all course material that you might have, any and all doubts that you might have, we ensure that you get a resolution for it within 30 minutes after you post it, 24/7. So in conclusion, this was all that there was to know about the CAT exam. If you have any further doubts or concerns, you can obviously put it in the comment box. We will also be putting in the description any and all links that I mentioned in the video, as well as some other materials and our Facebook group link, so that you can join and start your CAT preparation journey right now. Thank you.